Hey guys, it's Anna from BlackboxMyCar. Here are our clips of the month of November, where we feature all the clips that you've sent in this month and everything that we share daily on our TikTok and Instagram channel. If you got some epic clips to share, be sure to do so in the link below and get yourself a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. Before we dive in, we got some pretty exciting news to share. We just launched the BlackboxMyCar Smart Drive 10 inches wireless CarPlay and Android Auto display. It's an all-in-one wireless display and dashcam, compatible with CarPlay and Android Auto. Find it in the description below and use the code CarPlay to save an extra $30. Wow, thanks for joining me on this thrilling ride. But hey, the excitement doesn't end here. You're still in time to use the code CarPlay and save $30 in your BlackboxMyCar Smart Drive 10 inches wireless CarPlay and Android Auto display. If you enjoy the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed compilations every month. Until next time, drive smart and stay vigilant. Safe travels!